Ratunisa.
My name is Tengku Oktari Saryani Salsabila. Now we will start our dialogue about politely complaining at coffee shop.
Excuse me, do you have a moment?
Of course, how can I help you?
I ordered a caramel latte a little while ago, but it seemed like I got a regular latte instead.
Oh no, I'm so sorry about that. Let me double check your order. You said it was a caramel latte, right?
Yes, that's correct. I can show you my receipt if that helps.
That won't be necessary, but thank you. Let me make this right for you. Did you take a sip of the current drink?
Yes, I did, just to be sure. It's definitely missing the caramel syrup.
I really apologize for the mix-up. I'll prepare the correct drink for you immediately. Would you like me to add extra caramel as a small apology?
That will be great. I really appreciate that.
No problem at all. Please give me just a couple of minutes. Here you go, a caramel latte with a little extra caramel for you. I hope this one is just right.
Thank you so much. I appreciate how quickly you fixed this.
My pleasure. Thank you for letting us know. If there's anything else I can do, just let me know.
Actually, while I'm here, I noticed a sitting area was a bit untidy earlier. Some tables hadn't been cleaned, and there were a few used cups lying around.
Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that. We've been a bit busier than usual today, but that's no excuse. I'll inform the team to get on that right away.
That's understandable. I just thought I'd mention in sign it might bother other customers too.
I appreciate you bringing it up. We will make sure the area is tidied up as soon as possible. Your feedback really helps us improve.
Thank you. I come here often and usually everything perfect.
That means a lot to us. We will do our best to ensure your experience stays enjoyable. Is there anything else you'd like to share?
Well, I actually do have a question. I've always been curious what kind of coffee bean do you use for your lattes? They always taste so smooth.
That's a great question. We use a medium roast blend searched from both South American and African beans. The South American beans give it a nutty and chocolatey base, while the African beans add a hint of fruitiness and brightness.
That explains why I enjoy it so much. It has such balanced flavor. Do you roast the beans here?
Not on site, but we partner with a local roastery that specializes in small batch roasting to ensure freshness. They roast the beans specifically for our menu, so you are always getting a cup brewed with beans roasted just a few days ago.
That's fantastic. Supporting local business is always a nice bonus. Do you ever can the blend seasonally?
Yes, we do. In fact, starting next month, we will be introducing a special winter blend with hints of cinnamon and nutmeg. It's perfect for the holiday season. Would you like me to let you know when it's available?
Absolutely. I love to try in. Do you think it will pair well with the caramel latte?
Definitely. The spices in the blend will complement the caramel sweetness beautifully. You might even notice a slightly richer flavor profile.
That sounds amazing. I'll keep an eye out for it. By the way, do you have any loyalty program? I come here often and I love to take advantage of something like that.
We do. If you download our app, you can collect points for every purchase. Once you reach a certain number of points, you can redeem them for free drinks or snacks. I'd be happy to walk you through how to set it up if you'd like.
That will be great. Is the app available for both iOS and Android?
Yes, it's available on both platforms. Just search for our cafe name in the App Store and you should find it easily.
Perfect. I'll download it when I get home. Thanks for letting me know.
My pleasure. We also send out notification about exclusive offers and new menu items so you'll always be in the loop.
That's great. This has been such a nice experience despite the initial hiccup with my drink. Thank you for being so attentive and helpful.
It's what we are here for. Your satisfaction means a lot to us. If you ever have more questions or feedback, don't hesitate to reach out.
Will do. Thanks again, Salsa.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day and we will see you next time.
Take care. Looking forward to trying the winter blend.
I'll make sure it's perfect for you. Take care.
For this section, I would like to explain about adverb of classes of time. Adverb clauses of time. Adverb clauses of time give information about when certain action take place. An adverb clause, together with the independent clause, shows whether two actions take place at the same time or different times in the past, present, or future. A. Form. There are two ways to form a sentence with most adverb of time. An adverb clause can begin a sentence or it can follow the main clause. There is no difference in meaning between these two sentence patterns, and they are both common. Next. When an adverb clause begins a sentence, it's usually followed by a comma. There is no comma when the adverb clause follows the main clause. This is the pattern and the example of form and sentence. Number 1, pattern adverb plus subject plus verb dependent clause. Subject plus verb independent clause. Example, whilst I was eating dinner, I was watching TV. Number 2, subject plus verb independent clause, dependent clause. Example, I was watching TV while I was eating dinner. Adverb clauses of time count. With time adverb. Adverb. After, used for action that happen at different times. Example, after I get home, I always check my email. I always check my email after get home. S. More formal. Example, as the president was getting ready to address the nation, reporters crowded around the stage. Reporters crowded around the stage as the president was getting ready to address the nation. As long as means during a certain period or provided that. Example, I will take care of you as long as I live. As soon as, used for an action that immediately follows another action. Example, as soon as Chen finishes his studies, he will move back to England. Chen will move back to England as soon as he finishes his studies. Before, used for actions that happen at different times. Example, before Greta goes to bed, she has a cup of tea. Greta has a cup of tea before she goes to bed. By the time, mostly used with the past perfect or future perfect. Example, by the time Alexei gets home tonight, Aunt Mila will have left. Aunt Mila will have left by the time Alexei gets home tonight. Every time, mostly used with the simple present. Example, every time Hiroko calls me, we talk for an hour. Hiroko and I talk for an hour every time she calls me. Adverb clauses of time count. B. Time adverb count. Adverb 1. Formal. Once you complete your exam, you may leave the room. You may leave the room once you complete your exam. Since mostly used with the present perfect. Example, Omar has lived on Main Street since he moved to Vancouver. Ever since he moved to Vancouver, Omar has lived on my street. When, very common, used for action that happen at the same time or different times. Example, when she lived in Montreal, she spoke French every day. She spoke French every day when she lived in Montreal. Whenever mean at any time. Example, whenever I see my farmer, I get nervous. I get nervous whenever I see my former boss. Well, often used with the past progressive. Used for action that happen at the same time or when a soft action interrupts a long action. Example, while I was studying for the exam, the phone rang. The phone rang while I was studying for the exam. Until often used in the middle of the sentence. Example, Annalise usually works until she finishes all her tasks. I think that's all from me. Thank you.